Welcome to this video tutorial on how to find student employment jobs in Handshake. On the home page of Handshake, click Jobs. In the upper toolbar, click On Campus to quickly filter for on-campus student employment jobs. You'll now see all on-campus jobs in your left-hand navigation. You can also receive notifications whenever Handshake posts a new job that meets your filters, in this case, student employment. Click Save Your Search, and you can edit your notifications to tell Handshake how you want to be notified and how often. You can save this, and you can always edit your notifications later. You can also find on-campus jobs by clicking the Employers tab and searching for Kenyon College on-campus employment. Also click the Follow tab to get more information about jobs posted through on-campus employment. On the on-campus employment profile page, on the right you can see jobs at Kenyon College on-campus employment. Click See All. You'll now be taken to the same view of all on-campus employment jobs